Welcome back to Artist Fun with me, Keely V. Okay guys, what I'm doing here, this is leftover from my husband's Keep on Growing gutter growing system that he has. He takes gutters and he cuts holes in them to put net cups in, or he uses pool noodles, and he takes the pool noodles and he cuts them, and you just have to watch his video. I'll put a link above on this side to his video, what he does. But yeah, this is left over from when he cuts the holes, and I thought, oh, that looks just like the snow I buy to do my decorations with. And I had all these leftover foam balls, and I'm like, you know what, I can make a bunch of snowballs to go on my tree. So that's what I'm doing. I'm making snowballs with it, and I'm using Mod Podge. I'm using the water-based sealer glue and finish. You get this at the Dollar Tree. And I just brush it on with the paintbrush. What I'm going to do is leave it to sit and dry really well, and then I'm going to flip it over and do this side. And then afterwards I'm going to take some wire and hot glue some wire. I'm going to put a hole, hot wire into the hole, and make sure it's like a loop so I can put a little Christmas ornament hook in it to hang on the tree. Got so much of the stuff we're thinking about selling it. Okay, I'm thinking about selling it.
All together, learning about a history. Love and kindness, we all need a family. Together in my favorite season, let's do it for the right reason. Oh, I wish that it would never end. Christmas time on its way again. Other lovers, they may come and go. Let me tell you, this is one thing I know. There will never be another one. Me and you in the midnight sun. It's funny now, I see it crystal clear. I'm sure that it must be this time of the year. Surely I've been the owner of a lonely heart. I did my best and knew just how to play my part. Together in my favorite season, let's do